Welcome. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to find active contacts on the Instagram app when using it on your PC. If you've noticed the new update and aren't sure where to look, don't worry. I'll show us step by step. First, open up the Instagram app on your computer. Once it loads, look to the left-hand side of your screen. There, you'll see a messenger icon, which looks just like the one you'd find on a phone. Click on it, and this will open up your list of conversations. Now, here's where you can check who's currently online or active. You'll see a list of people you've chatted with, and next to their names, you might notice a small green dot or a recent timestamp. The green dot means that person is active on Instagram right now. If you see a number of minutes or hours instead, it tells you when they were last active. This makes it really simple to know which of your contacts are available at the moment. But keep in mind that not everyone chooses to share their activity status. If you don't see a green dot or a timestamp next to someone's name, it doesn't necessarily mean they're not online. Instead, it could mean they've turned off the active status feature in their Instagram settings. The active status setting is optional, so some people prefer to keep their online activity private. In those cases, there won't be any green dot or time information visible next to their name. So don't be surprised if certain friends don't show up as available, even if they're actually using the app. And that's all you need to know with this new update. To recap, open your Instagram app on PC, click the messenger icon on the left, check your contact list, and look for either a green dot or a recent time next to people's names. That's how you can quickly find out who is active or recently active on Instagram.